This video introduces the new features of version 5.4 of Track of the Day. Have fun! In addition to various bug fixes, version 5.4 contains changes to the layout of several dialogues and now also includes support for processing contacts in MSG file format. This allows contacts recorded in Microsoft Outlook to be easily imported into Track of the Day. Since version 5.3 contacts in Apple vCard format can be imported, this now works in the same way with the contacts saved in Outlook. The import can be started using the Add button. In the File Selection dialog, select star.message as the file format and then open the contacts previously exported from Outlook. Alternatively, a simple drag and drop directly from Outlook into Track of the Day is also possible. A full address is required for this. For contacts with incomplete or even empty addresses, no GEO location can be determined. During the import, the associated GEO location is determined for each address of a contact. Therefore, these contacts are automatically skipped during import. The last video showed how a mobile care worker can import a series of patients from the Apple iCloud. For this video, the same contacts were imported into Microsoft Outlook. Here you can now see the import of the contacts via drag and drop into Track of the Day. A drag and drop of already existing vCards or MSG files from the Windows File Explorer is also possible. The dialog for the POI Power Search has also been expanded. The layout now also automatically adapts to very narrow window widths. This allows the POI Power Search to be permanently displayed on the right edge of the screen, for example. If the main map is moved, the POI Power Search map will follow automatically. A fully or partially planned route is displayed. You can search for restaurants, hotels, campsites, and much more during route planning. All search results can be specifically transferred to the main map. The automatic import of all hits of a POI search is also possible. The map control elements have been expanded in such a way that QuickRouting is now even easier to access. With QuickRouting, large distances can be measured and routes can be roughly planned extremely quickly. The automatic routing, after adding new waypoints, can be switched on and off at any time with the light bulb icon. The QuickRouting info line shows the direct distance and the approximate total driving time after each change. If automatic routing is active, the routing profile set is used. This routing profile can be changed at any time. It should be noted that there is a small pitfall here. If you change the routing type in a routing profile to B-line, for example, super curvy becomes a profile that only shows B-lines. So if you're wondering why suddenly no more super curvy routes are calculated, you may have accidentally changed the routing type in one of the routing profiles. A 100 credit system has been introduced to facilitate exploration of the full Track of the Day functionality. Free edition users can now use all the features of the Pro edition until those 100 credits are used up. After that, extremely inexpensive Pro licenses are available in the Track of the Day shop at any time. Track of the Day uses a wealth of very high performance, but also fee-based services for displaying map material, route calculations, address searches, POI searches, and much more. By purchasing a Pro license, you support further development and make a small contribution to covering ongoing operating costs. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.